Look at that. Oh my god. No, it says it's over on this side. It had an arrow.
I can tell you want me. I can show you how.
I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. I thought the other ones were pretty.
You want me.
Yeah, look at that. See that?
I can show you how. I can tell you want me.
I got pee anyway.
Do you think I don't know if that's it. What is it? Saint Gringle Elias?
Something like that. Yeah.
I don't know if that's them or not.
Want me.
I tell you down that
Or
board.
maybe just the Alaskan.
I can show you how.
I don't remember what they're called. Got a little cloudier. Oh, this is where the old bridge was? Oh, yeah. Yep, this is where the old bridge was. Huh. I like the old bridge better. But look at those mountains.
Then there's these shifty characters walking in behind us.
Seriously. You did that on purpose.
Hello. Hey, we are at a great boondocking spot that we found. It's on the Gerstel River, and Jen's gonna show you around. Hope you like it.
Gerstel River is about how many miles out of Toke?
About 20 miles. I think it's mile marker 13.
It's more than that, because when I told you it was 39 more miles.
Okay.
So maybe about 45.
I think it's mile marker 1392.
Mile marker 1392 outside of Toke, Alaska.
Yes.
So going towards Delta Junction.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're only about 30 miles to Delta Junction.
Yeah, about 20 to 30 miles to Delta Junction. Yeah. So it's a great pull-off spot. You can see right there is where we came in at. Not up that hill, but there's a road that goes that way, that driveway does, and then it goes gradually up there. So it's great. Anybody could get down here. Class A's, anything. It's got fire pits around, and woods, and the river. Great view. And I don't know if you can see on that side, there's the great, you can't see, the bridge kind of blocks it, but the Alaska mountain range is right over there. And if it wasn't so cloudy, you could probably see it better, but we were going to go on that side, but didn't know if we could get down there or not, so we came over here. And but we got this gorgeous view of this river. This is amazing. This is what we pictured when we pictured Alaska. So we're gonna what you got? So we're gonna go down here and sit and relax and enjoy this evening. So you all have a great night. All right, this is where we're going to end this video. Make sure you come back next time where we explore Delta Junction, North Pole, and Fairbanks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave us a comment if you wouldn't mind. And always remember,
life's a blessing.
So enjoy the journey.